What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. We are back to test some recipes on the fly. We're just like,
on the fly.
Never been done before.
Never been done before for us.
We did this one time already with cookies.
Didn't we do it with something else too?
Shoot. I guess it was forgettable.
Muffins.
Oh my gosh. The cornflake muffins. Oh, those are so
still
good.
not on the blog.
Oh, whoops. Okay.
Maybe by the time this video comes out, they will be.
Well, we're gonna do it again for the third time.
Yeah.
Apparently.
Yeah.
And this time, our vessel is
Scones.
scones.
This is your idea.
Oh.
Last time you were like, we should do scones.
I feel like I had other ideas last time too, but I forgot. I forgot. Okay.
We're gonna do scones. We also kind of like accidentally did a sweet and a savory.
We are just like...
And two of Devin's top two ideas.
It's working out pretty well.
So Devin, what are you
me.
doing?
I'm gonna try and make a pizza scone.
Which I'm really excited about.
Hopefully it turns out really well.
Yeah.
And then you have a portable pizza to take with you.
To take with you? Wait, is pizza not portable?
It depends.
A
Depends
pizza
on the
breakfast.
structural integrity of the slice.
And it's like a pizza breakfast.
Oh, pizza. It's a pizza your breakfast.
And then I'm gonna do Devin's second idea, accidentally. Cookies and cream.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I literally like thought of that. I was like, oh my god, what about a cookies and cream one? So when I texted you and said, what's your idea? I was gonna say, I had this other idea.
I had bought all my stuff for my idea already.
Oh shit. Yes. Yeah, I had mine too. I did not have any cookies when I said that.
Yeah. So we're just gonna cook together, bake together.
Bake.
Bake.
So we're using our like
Ready, set, bake.
No.
No.
We're just gonna use our scone
Yeah.
recipe
Yeah.
that we use
All
every time.
the recipes on our site for like there's like 6 different scone recipes. The base is all the same basically.
Yeah. Exactly. So you can do this too.
Yeah. Just
Okay.
take out whatever the flavor add-ins are and whatever's on our blog and replace it with whatever flavor add-ins you want to.
Yes. So that's like literally what we're gonna do.
I'm really excited for yours because mine's easy.
Well,
Yours is a little bit more complicated because you're also adding
the sauce.
wet to it.
Oh god.
You're adding liquid. So you have to figure that out. But this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be delicious.
It better be. Okay, I guess I'll do the milk.
What do you mean you'll do
I'm
the
gonna,
milk?
I'm gonna do it. I gotta make the pizza milk. That's
Keep stealing
weird.
my pepperoni.
So should I do less milk?
How much milk do we call for? Half a cup. She could do a quarter of a cup and a quarter cup pizza sauce.
Let's see what happens. Oh.
So I
Yeah,
can
yeah, yeah. You gotta
replace flour, you know?
get those crumbles.
Oh.
So, are you trying to type? There's an iPad here that's gone rogue.
Have you become sentient?
Done. Mostly. Well, did you add your Oreo amounts?
No, but it's 2 sleeves, so I can figure that out.
2 sleeves. Making my pizza milk.
Ew.
Well, it's basically tomato soup. Just think of it as tomato soup.
Yeah, I am. That's what I'm doing. What am I doing?
You're
Okay,
thinking of tomato
flour.
soup.
How should I replace flour with this, or should I just add this in and hope for the best? That's gross looking.
I feel like you should do the flour amount in the recipe, add that in, and then adjust the liquid if it's too dry.
Need it? Okay.
That feels easier to,
Okay.
what's it called? Course correct?
Interesting.
Do you know what I'm saying?
I think.
Okay.
No.
This is the way to go. Look, doesn't it look like tomato soup?
It really does.
A little thick.
Try it. And just stick your finger in it.
I'm gonna eat it like soup.
You want some croutons? I got some. I don't know, it tastes like tomato soup.
Yeah.
Tomato soup pack.
It's gonna work.
We've decided it's gonna work.
I have no doubts at all. Yeah, hi. Yep.
Flour.
Yes. Half a tablespoon. Wait, what's half a tablespoon? 3 teaspoons?
3 teaspoons is a tablespoon, so 1.5 teaspoons.
1.5. There you go.
Wow, that really smells like pizza.
Wait, why did you say it like that?
I don't know, it's just weird when making scones, you know? And I also have Oreos in front of me. Strange.
It's just, yeah, no, I could understand how that could be like sensory confusing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Doesn't have salt in it if you need salt in it.
Yeah, no, that'd be good. Let me do that. What? Sorry, I just got really tired all of a sudden. So satisfying. Okay, now I'm gonna
salt to that one too.
Yes.
Thank you.
Now I'm gonna season the flour. Is that a thing?
Season it already?
No.
Yeah, you definitely say season the flour when you're making like a dredge for like deep frying.
Oh, true.
You gotta season the flour.
Yeah, season the flour. Basil, I guess.
Oh wait, I should put this in first, or should I fold it in?
Maybe it'll be easier to put that in first.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much do you think I should put in?
I don't know. Start with half a cup? I don't know.
Half a cup, eh?
I think that's too much.
I'm gonna start with a quarter and see. I'm just really afraid about all the dry, you know?
That's true.
There's a quarter. Let's mix that in and see first. Yeah, we definitely need more than that, right? That's
For
a
it to
quarter.
really show?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, this is confusing because I was smelling parsley and looking at Oreo dust and I was like, why does it smell like a plant? That seems better, right? That
Yeah.
seems like the color.
Enough. And then there'll be more on top anyway.
Getting kind of gray. In a good way.
Yeah, in a delicious way.
Yeah. Oh, this smells like Oreos. I'm trying to smell mine, okay?
Oreos. It smells like Oreos. How does it smell? Oh, it smells good.
Is it okay?
I think so.
Okay.
But I mean, I don't think there's ever, like, obviously there is such thing as too much seasoning, but if you wanted to add a dash more, just in case, I don't think that's a bad thing.
Okay, I'm gonna pour in my tomato soup.
Yeah, you do that. Pour in that tomato soup. I'm really excited.
This is how magic happens.
This is how magic happens?
This is magic.
This is magic.
Well, okay, yeah, you're right. That wording is confusing. Sauce?
Oh, wow.
Sauce or milk? That is like perfect cookies and cream.
Yeah.
Like, wow. Wow! Okay, wait, how much cookies? Half a cup.
Half a cup of crumbs, yeah.
Crumbs. I like how you were like, oh my gosh, I'm so behind. How did you do that?
I was literally just thinking that.
Oh, I still have to add in the cheese too. And the pepperoni! Okay, I think I have a good texture.
Yeah, I think that's great.
Okay. Okay. Pepperoni in. Wow, exciting. Now I'm gonna do half mozzarella, half cheddar. Can you help me?
Yeah.
I'm stuck.
Yeah. Have you measured out the cheese, or are you just
No.
guesstimating? That's like a quarter cup, I would say.
Okay.
And another quarter cup you want?
Yeah.
Can you help me?
Oh yeah.
Oh my, yeah, I think that's
Looks
a
like
lot.
a cheese ball.
That looks great. What you could also do is you could put just a bunch of cheese on top before you bake it.
Totally. Okay.
Oh, let me clear off this.
Oh my god,
counter
I
for you.
almost just got Oreo all up in my dough. This is so fun.
Honestly, I'm really excited about this episode.
On this episode of Will It Work?
Will it recipe?
Will It Recipe? Sorry, yeah. Oh, baby. I should stop. Just, how about stop? Look at these beauties. Okay, let's bake them.
Dinner and dessert.
Yes, bake them. That's what we call a balanced breakfast. What?
I don't know if this is looking nice.
What? You don't think so?
I don't.
I think when you sprinkle it with, you still have more cookie crumbs.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be good. What's wrong?
I want to put it in a piping bag.
Oh.
Or a Ziploc. Let me try it.
Okay.
This is what these videos are
This
for.
is a test.
Testing.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if it works better. Oh, I see what you did there. Okay.
Cute, right?
Okay. Good move, good move.
I think it's cuter.
This is why you gotta trust your instincts when they are Catherine's. Sprinkle. Oh, all over the counter.
Well, how else was it?
Well, yeah, no, yeah, you're right, you're right.
I guess I could do that. I mean, it doesn't look too bad when the crumbs on it, so you were right.
I think good either way.
Yeah. All right.
Oh boy.
You want to plate?
Yeah.
Not that the counter is at risk of getting dirty.
It's very clean. Oh. Okay, so you gotta have your savory and you gotta have your sweet.
All right, pizza scone.
Oh, I'm nervous.
It's like pizza. It's like pizza. Oh wow. That's fine. It is great.
It's like, you know, pizza buns?
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, snap!
It is great. You did
Whoa.
good. I was great. Good ratios.
Oh my gosh.
That's delicious. And you could do that with so many different pizza toppings if you wanted to.
Excuse me.
All right, dessert time.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh.
This is good episode.
This is so good.
I think it could be more Oreo-y. I think, what if I added, like, kept the recipe the exact same as this, but then added chunks of Oreo
Also
to
some
the...
chunks. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying. But still,
Delish.
wow, that's a good plate.
Mm-hmm.
This is our personality on a plate.
Truly. I'm so glad you suggested scones.
Yeah, wow, I'm really smart.
Scones are such a good vessel for, like, any flavor.
Making your dreams come true.
Imagine jalapeno popper scones.
Yes.
Yes. the possibilities are endless. We'll have to do part 2.
Yeah, tell us in the comments what scone recipe you would dream up and then turn into reality. Because we just showed how easy it can be.
Mm-hmm. I'm like so impressed with the pizza one. It tastes so much like pizza.
We even wrote down what we did this time, so.
I might do another test of both of them just to like fine tweak them, but wow.
This was good. Okay, what are we gonna test next?
Yeah.
Our patience.
Cinnamon bun.
You think?
That's a lot of work.
Yeah. No, I feel like we had other ideas.
Pizza.
Pizza. Pizza!
We do have pizza videos coming
We
out.
have special pizza content coming your way.
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
That's right.
Okay. Yeah, so tell us in the comments what kind of scone you would make.
That's
And,
control.
and make sure to share this with somebody who likes scones
Mm-hmm.
or pizza
Mm-hmm.
or Oreos.
Mm-hmm.
And give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. I hope.
I know.
That would be nice.